Hello, dear all students. Today I will show you how to delete a volume inside the hard disk drive partition if you are not able to delete it when installing any Windows operating system. Right now you can see Windows is loading files. I am installing Windows 7 64-bit operating system. So right now I need to do next. Then let's see what problem is actually coming here while installing Windows 7 operating system. Right now I am accepting the license agreement and clicking on the next. I am selecting the custom advanced, and here are the partition which is already done by the user, but the thing is I am not able to install Windows operating system in any of the partition. See, if I press next in each volume, I will not be able to proceed for the Windows 7 installation. So I can go here in the drive options. So I'll try to delete each partition, and that is also not possible. See here, you can see here, this is the message which is coming. So this sign is an indication that I will not be able to operate on this each volume which is already partitioned in this hard disk drive. So I'm closing it, closing this setup, and now in this case what I will do here is I will go to the repair computer and clicking on the next. Now I have come to the system recovery options, and this I am using this last option, which is command prompt. As soon as I hit this, a command prompt will open. So right now you have to open a disk partition. So for that the command is disk part. After typing this command, you have to hit enter. Here you will see Microsoft disk partition version, which is 6.1.7601. Right now I am inside the disk partition, and after opening this disk partition I need to see here how many hard disks is connected. So right now I am going to type one command, which is list disk. Okay, after entering this command, it will show how many hard disks is connected with motherboard. Here you can see disk 0. In disk 0 connection there is one hard disk drive which is showing here. Okay, the status is online here. So only one hard disk is connected here in the disk 0 connection. So right now I am going to select this disk. So I am selecting disk 0, and after this command I will hit enter button. So the command this command will open the disk 0, which is now selected. Now what I need to do is I need to clean this disk 0. The command is clean, clean, and hit the enter button. Okay, so this command will help to clean all the volumes inside the disk. Now I can exit exit the command. So this will lead to leaving the disk partition. disk part, which will close this disk part. Now I'm closing it and restarting the computer. So it is done well. You can see here there is no volume partition here, only a single disk volume you can see here, and which is unallocated space. Okay, now you can go to the drive options and to the partition. Now I'm going to show you how to do the partition. Okay, let's example. I want to create 150 GB C drive. For that, what I need to do here is I need to multiply 150 GB into 1024 MB, which will give you 153600, and I need to add 100 MB for MBR partition. That will come 153700. So this partition will create a C drive here. You can see here. So as soon as I hit here, so it will now create a C drive, which is 150 GB. You can see here. This is first one is MBR partition, system reserve, and this is C drive 150 GB, and the rest 148 GB, which is unallocated space, you can convert to primary by clicking on the new and apply. So here there are two primary partition, which is this one, volume 2 and volume 3. So volume 1 is system reserve, volume 2 is C drive, and volume 3 is D drive. Now you can install Windows 7 operating system in C drive. Okay, this is about how to fix hard disk drive partition related problems. It occurs usually when you install a new operating system in the old hard disk drive. Thank you for watching. For any questions related on this topic, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group.